channel. Welcome if you're returning. Hey friends, today I'm bringing y'all some exclusive luxury. You see what I did there? Exclusive, because it's exclusive Tina. You get it? Okay. Anyways, I'm bringing y'all some exclusive luxury that I found, and they are called Loc crystal beads, or crystal beads that you can find on Etsy. So I ordered my beads from two separate shops off of Etsy. The first shop is called Beaditwearitloveit, and I ordered from this shop, but they didn't have the original color that I wanted. But I ordered 5 Indian agates in 4 millimeters. They're slightly smaller and they fit snug on my locks. And I also ordered 5 random crystal beads in 6 millimeters. And they are a little bit bigger, and it does kind of slide down on some of my locks, but I really didn't know what size I needed for my locks for them to stay on there. Right now I have my 4 millimeters in, and they fit perfect on my locks. You do kind of have to tug and play with them to slide them up your locks, but they really do fit perfect. So I ordered 5 4 millimeters in Indian agate. The reason why I wanted to do Indian agate is because the colors just vary. So they go from like green to dark purple to pink to like really light green. The Indian agate is supposed to help with like balancing and a sense of security and stability. So I don't know, I looked that up after I ordered them, but I mean, I feel like it's a reason why I picked those. So I was just like, okay, that's perfect because I need that in my life right now. I personally believe that crystals have healing properties, but you know, potato, potato, believe what you want, blah, 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 blah. But they always say when you're picking like crystals, go for the ones that kind of reach out to you, because I mean, you probably need that in your life, but I don't know. Do your research. I'm not really too big on crystals, but I do feel like I know a little something. I did cleanse them like in the window. I just put them in the window for a couple of days because I don't know who's been touching my crystals, and I don't know, but I just put them in the window, and then after a few days I then put them in my locks, but I definitely wanted to cleanse them. The other 5 crystals that I got from there are 5 random ones. So they do have an option on their website where you can do 5 random crystals, and I got the 6 millimeter ones because I didn't know what size that I wanted. So I got 5 random ones. I can't even tell you what they are, honestly. This is kind of cute, like with all of them just like on one lock. It is heavy though. This is something I would not just keep on my locks because I would not want it to be too heavy and thin out my roots or something, but this is really cute. But I honestly wish that it came with a note of what type of crystal you're gonna get. Even though they're random, like I would like to know the names of the crystals that I got. So I ordered those from that shop, and it was about $30 for 10 crystal beads. So I feel like that's really good considering how much crystals cost. I had these in for about 2 weeks. I originally had them on both sides, only have 4 in, and then I moved them all to one lock, and I feel like it's super cute. I love dainty stuff. Like I don't love like super extra things. I'm very minimal when it comes to things like that. So I feel like this is just the perfect like accessory to my locks. And the other bead that I purchased is from a shop called Earth Shine. This is the original color that I wanted, and I honestly didn't think that it was this big. I thought it was a little smaller, but I also got this. It says 5 to 6 millimeters, and it is a little loose on some of my locks, so sometimes I just have to get a rubber band and tie it up. This crystal is heavy. I would not leave this in my hair, especially around like locks that are a little bit smaller. I would not leave this in my hair. This is something that I would put in my hair and then take out at the end of the day. If you want to, if you have really thick locks that can hold it, okay, cool, you good. But for me and myself and I, we taking this thing out. It definitely gives a pop. I love this green. I really want my Loc Sprinkles to be this green. So beautiful. But I can't find none in this color, and I don't feel like taking all my Loc Sprinkles out. This one crystal cost me about $14. I do think it's worth it because like you can just feel the quality of the crystal. It just feels so nicely crystal. I don't even know how to say, but it just, you can just feel the quality of it, and I definitely feel like it's worth the $14. I have not washed my hair with them in. You probably can wash your hair with them in, but I'm just not like, I don't know, I'll probably take them out when I wash my hair. The only downside to them is that I can't thread. The locks that already have Loc Sprinkles on them, they don't go through the hole because the hole is too small for the Loc Sprinkles. So that's the only downside. I mean, I could take some Loc Sprinkles out just to thread my crystal through, but that's just too much. I don't really want to do that. So I wanted to come and share this with y'all. I will link everything in the description box, so if you are interested in buying them, you can just go look there, or you can also just go on Etsy and type in Loc Crystal Beads. Simple. And you'll see a whole bunch on there. Make sure you read the reviews because I want y'all to get what y'all want. I don't want y'all to be scammed with like plastic beads or something. I don't even know. But just make sure you read the reviews and make sure that shop has really good reviews before you purchase, because crystals can get a little bit expensive. This is the end of my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.